Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing good. So, we are going to study from Feathercap and we are on your favorite learning platform, Learn Forward, and we are going to study from People and Places, a book for your social study. And we are on chapter number 7, that is Food We Eat. So, you eat a lot of different kinds of food in your whole day, right? When you wake up, you have milk, you have bread, you have anything which you love. And in the break lunchtime, which is in the afternoon, you have different kinds of food, and in the dinner also you have different kinds of food items, right? So you might also eat some junk food which you love a lot, right? So what is your favorite food? Let me know. Okay, so we are going to start the chapter now. Be ready with your books. So food we eat. Food consists of things that we eat and drink. फूड में क्या कौन सी आइटम्स होती हैं जो चीज़ें हम खाते हैं या फिर हम ड्रिंक करते हैं. वी नीड फूड टू लिव. आपको फूड क्यों चाहिए आपकी बॉडी को? ताकि आप अच्छे से ग्रो कर पाओ. एंड टू लिव, टू सर्वाइव, एंड वी नीड फूड एंड वाटर, राइट? वी ईट फूड टू ग्रो बिग. हम क्यों फूड खाते हैं? बड़ा होने के लिए, है ना? सो वी टेक ब्रेकफास्ट इन द मॉर्निंग. हम लोग the meal which we have in the morning, it is known as breakfast. In the breakfast, we sometimes take bread, butter and milk. You can have anything which you love, but these are the some basic items which you should have in breakfast, that is bread, butter and milk. Now, we take lunch at noon. The meal which you eat in the afternoon, it is known as the lunch, okay? So we eat dal, chapati, curd and rice. So these are the some food items which we eat in the noon time. So we have dinner at night. So the meal which we eat in the night or in the evening at the night time, it is known as the dinner. We should have a light dinner as it helps us to sleep well. So हम हमेशा डिनर जो लेना चाहिए वो लाइट लेना चाहिए, कभी भी हेवी नहीं खाना चाहिए, नहीं तो आपके स्टमक एक हो सकता है. It may cause problem. So you should always have light meals so you can sleep well. More than half of people in the world eat rice as the main part of their meal. So in the many parts of the country or in the whole world, people eat rice as their main meal. So these are the some things which you should write, which you eat in breakfast, you can write here, and in the lunch, you can write in the this section, and in the dinner, you should write here. Now, little babies milk, drink and juice. As we all know कि जो छोटा सा बच्चा होता है उसके teeth नहीं होते, right? So वो क्या पीता है? वो milk लेता है और juice लेता है. So here you can see a baby which is drinking milk and a girl which is drinking juice. So these are the two items which a little baby drink, that is milk and juice. Now, I like sweets, chocolates and ice cream. So these are some things which are every kid's favorite, right? That is sweets, chocolates and ice cream. So you can see here children are enjoying ice creams and chocolates. Next, फूड गिव अस एनर्जी. हम फूड क्यों खाते हैं? जब आपको भूख लगी होती है, आप बहुत लो फील करते हो ना कि मुझे भूख लगी है, जब आप खाना खा के यू फील वेरी हैप्पी एंड उस टाइम आपका मन करता है कि मैं बस खेलने जाऊं. तो फूड हमें क्या देता है? फूड हमें एनर्जी देता है. फूड गिव्स अस एनर्जी. वी मस्ट टेक क्लीन एंड फ्रेश फूड एंड वी शुड ऑलवेज ईट क्लीन एंड फ्रेश फ्रूट. इससे फूड, जब आप क्लीन और फ्रेश फूड खाते हो तो आपकी बॉडी हेल्दी रहती है, आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती. फ्रेश फूड इज गुड फॉर हेल्थ. सो आपकी हेल्थ को अच्छा रखने के लिए, टू मेक गुड, तो आपको हमेशा फ्रेश फूड ही खाना चाहिए. फ्रेश फूड मेक्स अस स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड हेल्दी as it makes your body very strong and healthy. So we have completed the chapter. Now question number A, take the correct answer. First, we need dash to live. So we have learned we need food to live. So answer is food. Second point, we take breakfast in the, so we have learned that we eat breakfast in the morning, lunch at the noon and dinner at the night. So we take breakfast in the morning. Third part, little babies drink. What do little babies drink? We have learned they drink milk and juice. So they drink milk. Point B, fill in the blanks. Dash help us to grow. So we have learned हमें क्या grow करने में help करता है? You are right, that is food. Write food in the first blank. Second, we take dash at noon. So we have learned we take lunch at noon. So write lunch here. Third part, we have dash at night. So we have dinner at night. At the night time, we take dinner. Food part. Food give us, so we have learned food हमें क्या देता है? बहुत सारी energy. So write energy here. Fifth part, fresh food is good for. So fresh food हम क्यों खाते हैं? Because it is good for our health. So write health here. Another question, answer the following questions. Why do we need food? हमें food क्यों चाहिए? To grow. So we need food to grow and to live. So we need food to grow and to live. Another question is, what do we take in breakfast? हम breakfast में क्या खाते हैं? So we have learned three main things, that is milk, bread and butter. So write milk, comma bread and butter. So you can also write things which you love to eat in the breakfast. Another question is, why should we have a light dinner? हमें light dinner क्यों करना चाहिए? हमें light dinner इसलिए करना चाहिए because it help us to sleep well. हमें वो सोने में help करता है. It help us to sleep well. So write here. It help us to sleep well. Another question is, why must we take fresh food? हमें fresh food क्यों लेना चाहिए? Because fresh food is healthy and keeps our body also healthy, right? So we have completed the chapter. I hope everything is clear till now. If you have any problem, you can watch the video again. Thank you so much. Happy learning.